Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm going to introduce our extra short transmission mount. This mount is polyurethane and it has an installed height of 1 3/8. So there's other polyurethane mounts out there and we offer a couple on our website as well. We have one that is 1 5/8 and then we have a standard height mount that is 2 inches. What's nice about the extra short mount is that you can start with a low transmission location and then you can use our shims to shim the transmission up to the right pinion angle. This is a G-Force exclusive and it is a great addition to our line of transmission mounts. So if you want to find out more about transmission mounts or cross members or any other performance parts, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.